Buji community in Jigawa state, specifically Gantsa and Gwadayi, recently faced the aftermath of a destructive flood that wreaked havoc on farmlands and residences. In response to this crisis, the Jigawa State Emergency Management Agency swiftly provided relief assistance to the affected communities. The support package from the Jigawa State Emergency Management Agency included essential items such as 300 bags of 10 kilograms rice, 900 pieces of spaghetti, 10 bags of grain, 3 bags of groundnut cake, 10 bags of maize, 100 pieces of blankets, 100 pieces of nylon mats, and 300 pieces of insecticide-treated nets. During the distribution of the relief materials, village leaders expressed their gratitude to the state government for their support and pledged to ensure fair and equitable distribution according to the needs of the affected individuals. Many residents suffered losses of farmlands and homes, forcing them to seek refuge with neighbors or in government facilities. The acting chairman of Buji local government area, Alhaji Shoaibu Nabo, acknowledged the prompt response of the state government in providing assistance during this challenging period of flooding. He also assured the community that local authorities are working diligently to alleviate the suffering of the flood victims.
We thank God, Allah, because as we had, there is some part of this country who has experiencing drought. There is no water. They are praying daily to water. But now we have access to water. We cannot call it a disaster because only God knows the 100% right. We beg God to intervene and turn the losses into gain.
We have been in this place since yesterday. We assessed the situation and we went back to see what we can fetch for the relief of the victims here. So many people have been displaced from their homes. Even the neighbors, they are harboring them. It's a burden to them to contain them. So we thought it is a very good idea to go and get a support for them.
I was here seeing yesterday. I've been going through all the affected areas where this incident was happening. And I have go around and condolence and make a condolence to the families at the affected areas. We have been touched with the state emergency agencies. As was said by the executive secretary, they have brought a lot of relief material here. They brought us 300 bags of rice, 300 bags of spaghetti. They have brought us 3 bags of parago. They have brought us 10 bags of paki, and we are going to distribute it to those who have been affected by this pain.